Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk you through how to disable email notifications for activities on Facebook using the latest version of Facebook Web on your PC. If you're tired of getting flooded with emails every time someone reacts to your post or tags you in a comment, this quick guide will help you turn them off in just a few simple clicks. Let's get started. First, open Facebook on your web browser and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on your homepage, look to the very top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo. Go ahead and click on it. A small menu will appear with different options. Next, select Settings and Privacy. This will expand to show more choices. From there, click Settings. Now, you'll be on the main settings page where you can manage everything from your account preferences to privacy and notification controls. On the left-hand side of the screen, find the Notifications tab and click it. This section gives you full control over what kinds of notifications you receive on Facebook, on your phone, or by email. Scroll down until you find a section called More Activity About You. This is where Facebook groups all the updates related to your posts, tags, comments, and other user interactions. In this section, look for the email option. You'll see a toggle switch or button that lets you turn off email notifications for these types of activities. Simply click it to disable them. Once it's turned off, you'll stop receiving emails every time there's an update about your activity on Facebook. And that's it. You've successfully turned off email notifications for Facebook activity. From now on, you can check your notifications directly on the platform without cluttering your inbox. If this guide helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more easy tech tips just like this one. Thanks for watching.